Hello, everybody, to What's Brewing with me, Pooja Talwar, and I'm being joined by somebody who's presently in the United States. So it's early morning at his end. So let me invite Ankur Bhatia. Let me invite Ankur Bhatia, and well, we've seen him in two shows this lockdown, which being Arya as well as Crackdown. So I've sent him a request. So it's 9:30 a.m. at his end. So what's brewing since it's evening time here? So I'm sure you've all had your cup of tea, coffee, and nimbu pani, whatever. And just waiting for Ankur to join us. And let me see if he has. Ankur hasn't joined us as yet. I'll just send him a request again. So. So I've added him, so he should be with us any minute now. And yeah, I'm just waiting for Ankur to join us. So as I said, he was in Arya where we saw him play Rinku, Sushmita Sen's brother, and then in Tariq in Crackdown where he is playing a Pakistani military chief. And so it's going to be interesting chatting with him about his work. And oh yes, he has joined us, and just getting him on. Just wait a minute. I'm just getting him in here, and yeah. Hi, how are you?
Hi, my connection might be a little slow today. My
Hi.
Wi-Fi is giving some problems.
Oh, okay. Okay. So do you want us to connect? No, we can. So how was your holiday? You were on a trip, is it?
No, so my family is here in New York. So I came here for a short trip and then got stuck because of the lockdown. And since then,
Okay.
I've been here, enjoying.
It's been 6 months, and you've had two releases. So
Yes,
it's been a good time for you.
yes. I'm actually very lucky to have releases during this time. Otherwise, it would have been unbearable to be home and nothing happening.
So, what is a lockdown like for an actor? Some people say an actor's life is like a lockdown only. You're prepping, you're all by yourself, and sometimes you're waiting for projects.
I think the waiting for project takes the most amount of time because they're like so when I started my career with Zanjeer, after Zanjeer, it took almost about a year and a half, 2 years to get another film. Then that wait period became shorter. Then it took me almost about a year to get Hasina Parker, and since then it has becoming more and more. The gap has become lesser, but still the wait time is there,
Yeah.
and then depend. So we are accustomed to that. I think. It's a part of the job.
And also, many people, like we had discussed last time, but here many people don't know that you from Wall Street decided on Bollywood. How
Yes.
how did that happen? Like a banker's job is not interesting at all.
No, so it's very
Banker
interesting and
सिर्फ
very,
फिल्मों में
very.
अच्छे लगते हैं.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. Banker is a very challenging job. Actually, finance itself is over here, Wall Street. This is the best place to be if you want to pursue a career in finance. New York is the best place to be. And it's very upbeat, it's very demanding, very challenging. But with particularly me, I always wanted to be an actor. I was always mesmerized by the big celluloid screen, like actors, and I was huge fan of certain people, and I always looked up to them. But because, at that point of time when I was growing up, it was not a culture. It was just a thing कि हाँ भाई बच्चे को engineering करानी है. So then only he's successful. So either you have to become an engineer or a doctor. So I chose to become an engineer. From that, everybody was coming to US to follow masters in computer science. So I followed the herd, came here. It's a lot later in life I realized that okay, this is not how it's supposed to be. I'd become more mature, and so I took a decision that okay, now I can maybe pursue this and try it out. That trying it out became like a full-time career then,
Wow, that's interesting actually. And somebody's asked, what are you currently doing?
I'm
I mean, दो
currently
releases तो आए हैं अभी,
हाँ
Crackdown
but
and Arya.
it seems very simple. I was telling someone yesterday that this my dad asked me कि तुम्हारा time कैसे pass होता है पूरे दिन. And I was telling him that आधे से ज्यादा टाइम तो सोशल मीडिया का कंटेंट और लाइव जाना और रिकॉर्ड करना कुछ it's also a full time job to be there now, be there out. Like for example, right now my timing is totally opposite to India, but still I work on Indian time zone, and then I'm up here working for, like, during the daytime I'm doing my chores here as well. So it takes a lot of time and effort to be there on every day, posting something, figuring out the content. Then there's Facebook, then there's Twitter, then you have to record your self-test also, because these days nobody's actually, very less people are working from the offices. Everything is like online. So that takes a lot of time also, because you have to read the script, then record the thing, then send it. Then if there are changes, then you re-record it. So it's I think it's more than a full-time job now. So time पता ही नहीं चलता. I've not realized how these 6 months have passed by.
या आपको कभी कभी लगता है योर क्राफ्ट पुराने जमाने में एक्टर्स एक्टेड लाइक वो कहते थे ना, लाइक पुराने वालों से बात करो, हम तो सिर्फ एक्टिंग करते थे अपनी फिल्मों में. यहाँ पर एडेड वो है सोशल मीडिया देखना, टू बी विजिबल कॉन्स्टेंटली, टू डज इट टेक इट्स टोल ऑन यू?
It does actually. I recently watched this documentary, that Social Dilemma,
I know
and
everyone's talking about it.
yes, and after that for 3 4 days, I was just, every time I was on the phone, I was wondering why am I on the phone? Because in order to make content, you have to go through a lot of content also. So it's making is not the time consuming part. It's about watching, and then you get in that rut where you are being shown other people's stuff, and you continuously watch it, and then you realize it is, oh, 2 hours are gone, and it's a constant pressure. And so what I have started doing is I've given myself allocated times. So in the morning, if I'm there browsing, thing, half an hour, maximum 1 hour, I'll spend on social media, and then I'm off. So even if it's a loss for the day, it's fine, because it's just, there is no end to it. You can keep. Luckily, TikTok is banned in India. Otherwise, the TikTok has also come on the plate. कि अब TikTok पे भी बनाना पड़ेगा कुछ ना कुछ,
सही में, सही में. I remember I
So
had gone for an interview and a star was told अब TikTok के लिए कुछ करना है, and he was literally like मैंने interviews कर लिए हैं, मैंने promotion कर लिया, अब मुझे ये भी करना है.
नहीं, तो मैं आपको एक असली बात बताता हूँ कि what's the sad part of this career has become, if you're not really, sorry, a call came. If you're not really active on social media, um, there are so many web series and projects that are made. Eventually, the final cut down for an actor is, okay, what's his followers count? How engaging is he with his fans? And I mean, even though you have successfully tested for a series and you fit the part and they want to hire you, and it's come down to 2 or 3 people, they will actually pick the one who's most popular on social media. So that is also a constant race for actors, because you have to continuous. I mean, even if there is a sad thing going on in your life, you have to be really active on social media all the time. It's just a pressure for your career also.
I didn't
So
realize this till I was watching a show where a better actor didn't get the roles because the other actor, whose mother was basically, it was a TV show, was buying him followers. So he had 1 million followers, had social media presence. So he would get the job. Now you are saying it when I'm like surprised that
no, I am
somewhere
telling you, there is a project recently that happened where I was actually being considered for a lead actor. The director wanted me to play the lead guy in the series. But then eventually it came down to, oh, his social media following is not that high as what they're looking for, and that's what the Excel sheet is made, and then how the follower count is, how many posts they put that particular person has, and that's how they shortlist people, and which is the sad reality of it these days, that that's how they value success, and that is why everybody's out there doing lives, doing posting pictures, stories. Everybody has hired social media people, and it has just become such a big deal. When I started the career, it was mostly, okay, किसके पास audition देने जाना है, कौन सा project
right?
cast हो रहा है. It was more about just putting all the effort in the acting part. Now it's, okay, ये तो करना ही है, and when the camera is off, there is this 90% of the job that you have to do every day.
या फिर एक्टिंग कब करोगे, literally.
Yeah, so acting में तो अच्छा होना ही है, because now on social media, that's another thing that yesterday I posted something about bullying, that
Oh
if
yes, I
certain
read
people,
that. There's so
yeah,
much of it happening all the time.
Yeah, so if somebody doesn't like your part, then they'll start. Commented something on Twitter one day, and people started writing boycott this guy, and I'm like, I'm not even from the like. If you call me, I'm an outsider. So why are you boycotting me? So there's no rhyme or reason. They're just paid
I
bots.
know,
They'll just
totally.
start doing it.
And you know what I
So
want to say? I had a conversation with somebody. The insiders of today were the outsiders of yesterday. Either you break the system and create a new one, or you get sucked into the system. Now, it's going to take time for people to realize, वो हर जगह होता है, वो इंडस्ट्री में ही नहीं है, वो बैंक में भी है, गवर्नमेंट में भी है. You get
आपने
them
बिल्कुल
to
सही
change
कहा.
this.
Yeah.
Yeah. But
जब मैं
कितने
न्यूयॉर्क
करेंगे?
आया था, so this apart from the industry, like for example, an Indian guy to come to US, they need visa, right? And there is a whole struggle to get a student visa, then a work visa, then you become a green card holder, and it's the same kind of struggle. You're fighting against the system because there's very less visas, and there are many people coming to the States to study and to get jobs and to find jobs. And so it's a struggle. And that's the same thing in our industry also. There's people from everywhere in the world coming to Bombay to become actors. And then they don't want a TV, they want to do movies. They're like there is so much. It's um it's very competitive. And so but it's just that people love to hate Bollywood also in a way. They love to hate the movie stars. They love like for example Big Boss, they everybody in I think in India watches it, but they
Yeah.
hate it. And then they'll write stuff about oh Big Boss में तो जाना ही नहीं चाहिए. But then you are the one watching every night.
Exactly. And same TV channels that were creating a circus here, but they've all been proven wrong. You all were watching it. वही 9 बजे सबके घर में वही 2 चैनल लगे हुए थे और आज सब वेट कर रहे हैं उन चैनल्स में हुआ क्या बिकॉज जिनको आप स्लैंडर कर रहे थे they have all the case is something
No,
else.
but it's so sad. The trends change every day. So I recently started tweeting when my show came out, and I was looking. एक दिन चल रहा है, boycott this person. Next day, the same person. Next day, it's like I stand with this person. The third day, boycott again a new person. It's like
True.
people just don't spare anyone.
Oh yeah, Anne Frank had said that people, when they're alive, don't get flowers. When they die, they get flowers.
Yeah,
I mean, the
exactly.
same people protesting about the sad thing that happened. I was like, पिक्चरें आपने देखी, आपने तब support किया. I'll give you an example. So my interview with the late actor, they were precisely 2,000 views. कोई देखना नहीं यार क्यों ये physics की बात कर रहा है. Now they're 20 lakh views. Because
Yeah.
suddenly, why? Why did you not support then? Why did you not make the person feel wanted then? यही मुझे ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी नहीं समझ आती है.
नहीं और आई थिंक सबको अपना अपना एक दायरा बना लेना चाहिए कि भाई ये सब आजकल मच्योर लोग भी ऐसे गलिबल की तरह बिहेव करते हैं कि जैसे जो उन्हें दिखा रहे हैं वो सच है लाइक when I speak to my dad also sometimes I feel like how important the media has become that
Yeah.
whatever they are feeding him he's actually believing it though I am actually in the industry and I'm telling him that this is not true and he's like no you don't know nothing like
Oh yes, exactly.
you
So
don't
my,
have an
my
idea.
father
And
is
I'm
the
like,
same.
yeah,
I am in
okay.
television. He says, no, you don't understand. I was like, but
Yeah.
dad, this is not the story. No, no, he's so. So that's where I think
Yeah,
also
yeah.
old
They'll
people and this WhatsApp kacheri that
what's
started is
my
actually very
dad
scary.
believes everything that is on YouTube. And I've told him 100 times that even I can make a video on YouTube and write something or record something that's not like authenticated. And that's, I think, the problem of internet these days is that, I was in that social dilemma. There was this line that they said fake news travels much faster than
Of course.
a true news, and it's more
Yeah.
sellable. So that's what the business is these days.
True. Which is true. And आप देखो
Yeah,
एक खुशी वाली इंटरव्यू को व्यूज नहीं मिलेंगे
नहीं
सबको
मिलेंगे.
क्लिक बेट चाहिए आपको वो
Yeah, yeah,
हैशटैग्स एंड कीवर्ड्स डालने हैं but nobody wants to hear like if you and me sit and only talk about your craft
yeah.
nobody's going to listen to
Nobody's
us
gonna.
unless we talk about something Sansani.
Yeah, they will.
Yeah,
They will.
which is true.
They want something in like Karan Johar ne kya kaha, or Taimur ne kya hua. They want that masala.
सही
It's
में
like yeah,
गॉसिप
you
चाहिए
have to
अरे मैं
drag
कहीं
someone
चली
else
जाऊं
and
लोगों को
then that
मिलने
yeah.
अरे बॉलीवुड की मुझे गॉसिप दो and I'm like I
Huh.
don't know
Yeah,
anything
that
it's not like I have Aishwarya Rai and Deepika on the hotline with me saying will
no,
you
I
laugh.
will tell you a very funny instance. So once I live in this neighborhood in Jersey where there are a lot of Indians. So I was walking past, someone came from India, so I was just taking their suitcases and coming up, and there was this guy standing downstairs, and he knows that I'm an actor. So So he's like, अरे यार तेरा वो देखा था बहुत बढ़िया था. So I was like, thank you. And you know, there's this family with me who I'm taking in. And he's like, तूने प्रियंका चोपड़ा के साथ काम किया ना? मैंने कहा, yes. So he's like, क्या बोलती है वो? So, नहीं अच्छी है. फिर ऐश्वर्या के साथ भी काम किया ना? कैसी है ऐश्वर्या? वो सही मतलब वो जो आता है पेपर में मतलब he started bombarding me with questions right in front as though I am like this gossip thing which will give him हाँ हाँ ऐसा ही है बॉलीवुड में ऐसा ही होता है यही है वो ही है. One after the other, he just didn't take a break, and I realized that how people are so much interested in these stars live, and they're so fascinated by it
Totally.
that it's just crazy.
Which is so true. So, किसी ने पूछा है, how did you start your acting career and when did you decide you wanted to be an actor?
So I decided very late in life. I was probably 28 or 29 when finally I thought, okay, I will start doing the short films and get some experience out of it and see. And then, you know, once you start, वो एक कदम से दूसरा कदम, एक सीढ़ी से दूसरी सीढ़ी, वो वैसे होते, I decided I'll go to LA and I'll become an actor in the US. I went to LA and I did pretty much everything which was not required. And the most important thing which you need in LA is an agent, and I didn't have an agent. So basically कुछ भी नहीं हुआ 3-4 महीने वहां पे. So I decided कि okay अब जब कर लिया है तो 2-3 महीने बॉम्बे भी हुआ था. And that was the first time I actually went to Bombay. उससे पहले मैं कभी बॉम्बे ही नहीं गया था लाइफ में. I landed to Bombay and I called all the people that I met in New York. None of them replied except Mr. Apurva Lakia. And he asked that I can come meet him. And then I went to meet him. And, उनकी जंजीर तक चालू हो गई थी उसमें कोई पार्ट नहीं था. And so he said, you know, he gave me 2-3 numbers. He asked me to meet them. I met them. Nothing happened. After 3 months, I was coming back. And I had decided I will work for the financial industry again. And हो गया अभी 6 महीने का सारा जितना शौक था. And that same day, I went to say bye to Apurva Lakia, and he said that you know, there's this one actor who has opted out. Do you want to do that part? बस वहां से वो चीज चालू हुई. I cancelled my ticket to the US. I went to Bangkok to shoot his film. और उसके बाद से here I am today.
Wow. So what has
Full-time
changed
actor.
from Zanjeer to Crackdown?
I've become a very good actor since then because that's the most important thing that has changed, and I'm proud of that because um, जब मैंने जंजीर चालू की थी, I realized the first day on the set that I know nothing about acting. You know, I've done all these independent cinema and we try to lie that we are very good actor and we are pursuing acting. You know, होता क्या है when you make your resume and you start pitching कि हाँ हाँ मेरे को सब आता है, you start believing that also. And when that big camera is there and these big actors are there doing their lines, it's nerve-wracking. Like there were every day was मुझे ऐसा लगता था ये दिन कब खत्म होगा because you'll have Priyanka Chopra, you'll have Ram Charan, you have Sanjay Dutt, and you know you're standing there in front of them pretending that you're okay, but you don't know nothing. मेरे को वो कुछ जार्गन्स ऐसे होते थे कि हाँ वो गैफर कहाँ है या ये कहाँ है या वो ऐसे निकलेगी, कुछ समझ ही नहीं आता था कि क्या बोल रहे हैं. I would just keep pretending कि हाँ मुझे सब समझ आ रहा है and I've done like this whole my life. And then slowly I picked it up on the job every day by making mistakes. I used to like okay अब ये check mark हो गया. In fact, till Arya happened, I mean an actor keeps on learning. I think it's a learning process throughout. But by the time I reached Arya, I was actually well prepared to digest whatever is coming my way and utilize it and mold it to my personality. So that's why now suddenly the performance has been started to people have started liking the performance. They're relating to it. They can find honesty in it. Earlier वो होता था कि हाँ ये आया है काम कर रहा है, good looking guy, do this thing, go. You know, so I feel now I feel content that okay by कि मैंने आज कुछ नया किया. You know, this scene I made it like very different than what probably people would perceive. So now I enjoy it, the process.
True. And somebody's asked, what has the lockdown taught you?
Lockdown has taught me how to be patient. Like really, because there are times. So I'd lost my mother 2 years back, and when you're alone, you tend to recall all these sad things also every now and then. जब life में कुछ अच्छा नहीं चल रहा होता, so आप उन्हीं सब चीजों को याद करते रहते हो. It pulls you down and all. And I have realized that you know how important it is to take to like not get in that on that rat race कि यार अभी ये हो गया तो वो नहीं हो रहा. I realized how to become calm. अभी नहीं हो रहा तो इस साल कुछ नहीं हो. And you know जब मैं ये सोचने लगा कि अभी कुछ नहीं हो रहा तभी रिलीज होने लगी, सक्सेस भी आने लगा. So it's one has to I realized that किसी ने कहा है कि अच्छे समय में पगलाना नहीं और बुरे वक्त में घबराना नहीं. सो
सही.
वो आदमी को मोटो अपना रखना चाहिए. एंड दैट्स हाउ दे शुड कंसिडर.
True, I agree with you. And lastly, what's your workout like? Are you like heavily into workout, gym, yoga, functional?
I'm really very bad. I'm not very regular on it. So it's all up and down. When I'm required to, I really get onto it. Like for example, Sarabjeet में मुझे मोटा होना था. Because I was playing this 55-year-old husband of Aishwarya in half the movie, and I wanted to look big. So for like I think 3 weeks, I ate like 10 gulab jamuns every day.
Wow.
People used to be shocked because everybody is of my age. They don't want to eat sugar and they stay away from the fatty food. Whereas me, I always have trouble gaining weight, so I would eat that. And by the end of the month, I had like, but you know, when a goal is given, I really do it. If I have no purpose to do it, then I'm like, okay, I will go for a jog, I'll ride a bike or something. But I really don't get motivated to like, okay, I'm not that gym guy who's go 2 hours every day and do it. I'll only do it if it's necessary to do it. I'll stay healthy. I eat very healthy. I stay healthy. I stick to my like मैं रात को फिर नहीं खाता ज़्यादा late and all those things I do, but I'm not too finicky on okay हाँ so 2 घंटे I have to pick up. I am not that guy.
True. So when can we expect you back?
So there was a film that I was supposed to do that I eventually didn't end up doing. So I'm still here. I think by next month I'll be there. There's something that is in the pipeline. It will be announced I think this week or next, and then I'll start shooting for that.
Awesome. So hope to see you in person. We've actually interacted thrice this lockdown.
I think you're the person that I've done the most live sessions with.
Awesome.
But you're awesome. You're like too good.
Thank you so much. Take care.
All right. Take care.
All right. Bye.
Bye-bye.